What if your New Year's Eve table could become the centerpiece of the entire celebration? What if the moment your guests sit down, they feel transported into a world of sparkle, elegance, and pure anticipation for the year ahead? A beautifully decorated New Year table isn't just decor, it sets the mood for the night. It creates the atmosphere for the countdown. It's where people gather, toast, laugh, reflect, and welcome the future together. Imagine velvet runners, glowing candles, metallic accents, crystal glasses, shimmering centerpieces, and every detail styled to perfection. Tonight, we're turning your New Year table into a glamorous experience. One filled with sparkle, celebration, and unforgettable memories.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What color scheme works best for a New Year table? New Year colors are bold, elegant, and full of energy, perfect for creating a glamorous ambiance. Gold brings warmth, celebration, and festive sparkle. It symbolizes prosperity and the joy of new beginnings. Silver creates a cool, shimmery glow that reflects light beautifully across your table. Black adds depth, sophistication, and drama, grounding the metallic tones. White brings purity, simplicity, and a clean, fresh start feeling. Champagne tones create luxury and softness while blending beautifully with all metallics. You can choose a bold gold and black palette for a classic New Year glam look, a silver and white palette for a winter wonderland theme, or mix champagne and ivory for a romantic and modern aesthetic. Your color palette should feel exciting, something that makes your heart beat a little faster as you prepare to welcome a brand new year. Subscribe for more color-themed decor inspiration for every holiday and celebration. How can table linens transform the entire New Year setup? Linens set the foundation for your table. They create the mood even before decor is added. A simple change in fabric or texture can shift the entire feel of your celebration. A velvet runner instantly adds luxury and softness. Its deep, rich texture reflects candlelight beautifully. A shimmering sequin tablecloth brings pure glamour, turning your table into a sparkling centerpiece. A matte black tablecloth creates a bold backdrop that makes gold and silver decor pop beautifully. A white linen tablecloth sets a fresh, clean stage that feels modern, bright, and celebratory. Layering is key. Combine a tablecloth with a runner or use soft fabric folds to add dimension. Linens soften the space, elevate the decor, and create a dramatic transformation with minimal effort. Your linens are the canvas. Your decor is the art. Together, they create a table that feels like a New Year dream. Check the description for the linens used in the table setups from this video. How can you style elegant place settings for New Year's Eve? Place settings make your guests feel like the celebration was curated just for them. Each component adds personality, luxury, and warmth. Start with charger plates in gold, silver, black, or glass. They anchor the dinnerware and immediately elevate the table. Choose plates with subtle texture: matte ceramic, ribbed glass, or glossy porcelain. Add cloth napkins in coordinating tones, and fold them with intention. Napkins can be tied with ribbon, embellished with a sprig of greenery, or paired with metallic napkin rings. Use crystal or glass drinkware to reflect the candlelight. Finish with printed name cards, handwritten notes, or small favors to create a personal, elegant touch. Place settings make your guests feel welcomed, appreciated, and part of something special. Check the description for the place setting pieces featured in this video. What are the key elements of a stunning New Year centerpiece? Your centerpiece is the soul of the table, the part that immediately draws every eye. Start with height. Tall candles, branches, or elegant stands create vertical drama that mimics the excitement of countdown fireworks. Add sparkle. Incorporate metallic stems, glittery branches, mini disco balls, or mirrored pieces that catch and reflect light. Use candles generously. LED candles, pillar candles, and tapered candles create soft, glowing magic that builds warmth and atmosphere. Incorporate nature. Winter greenery, frosted leaves, white florals, or eucalyptus bring balance and texture to all the shimmering elements. A successful centerpiece is layered, a blend of height, light, texture, and sparkle that creates a dramatic focal point without overwhelming the table. It should feel alive, luxurious, and unforgettable. Save this video to your playlist so you can recreate the centerpiece ideas step by step. How can you incorporate unique decorative touches to make your New Year table stand out? Small details are what transform a table from pretty to extraordinary. These are the touches that guests notice, love, and remember. Add clock-themed decor, symbolizing the countdown. Decorate with metallic confetti, tiny stars, or miniature disco balls for sparkle. Use glass jars filled with champagne corks, fairy lights, or gold beads for a creative pop. Place inspirational New Year quotes at each seat to set an uplifting tone. Incorporate numbers like 2025 through candles, napkin rings, or small table accents. These touches make your table feel intentional, thoughtful, and full of personality, a celebration crafted with love and vision. Check the description for the unique accents shown in this New Year table spread. How can lighting elevate your New Year table from simple to spectacular? Lighting is the emotional engine of your New Year celebration. It transforms the table into a glowing display full of magical atmosphere. Use candles of varying heights, tall tapers, medium pillars, and low votives to create depth and drama. Fairy lights woven through the centerpiece add a gentle sparkle that makes the table feel alive. Place LED lanterns or glowing orbs around the table for modern elegance. Use dimmable lamps or soft overhead lighting to ensure the candle glow becomes the highlight. When your room darkens and your table glows, the entire night feels cinematic, full of warmth, excitement, and beauty. Like and share this video if you love decorating with soft, elegant lighting. What drinks and bar cart decor can complement your New Year table? A drink station or bar cart becomes an extension of your table, stylish, fun, and celebratory. Decorate your bar area with sparkling accents, candles, metallic garlands, or elegant trays. Add a mini ice bucket for champagne, beautiful glasses, stylish mixers, and cocktail napkins with New Year prints. Use a small centerpiece, a candle, a floral arrangement, or a glowing cheers sign to elevate the bar experience. Coordinate the bar colors with your table theme for seamless flow throughout the celebration. Your bar cart becomes an inviting moment that gets your guests excited for the toast at midnight. Check the description for all bar cart styling items featured here. Why is the New Year table such an important part of the celebration? The table is the heartbeat of New Year's Eve. It's where guests gather before and after midnight, where conversations happen, where photos are taken, and where the energy of the evening builds. A beautiful table makes the night feel intentional. It elevates a simple gathering into a celebration with meaning, purpose, and excitement. When your table glows with candlelight, when your dishes shine under soft lighting, when the centerpiece sparkles like midnight fireworks, the entire celebration feels more magical. It sets the tone for the evening and becomes the moment your guests remember when they think back to that night. Decorating the table isn't about display. It's about creating a shared experience that sparks joy, connection, and hope. If you love creating unforgettable celebration moments, tap that like button to keep the inspiration flowing. And that is how you create a breathtaking New Year table, one filled with sparkle, glow, elegance, and the magic of new beginnings. This is a table your guests will remember, a table that sets the tone for the night, a table that celebrates hope, excitement, beauty, and possibility. This year, let your table shine like the countdown fireworks. Let it glow with intention. Let it carry the spirit of celebration into the new year and beyond. Happy New Year! May your home sparkle with joy and your heart overflow with hope.